Hey, this is Camp David. This is Camp Zero.
Yeah.
Ground Zero right here. Jamaica Good Life celebrating Dragonstone. Boom. This is Patrick, the great Patrick. I'm Rondie Pottinger for Jamaica. Come camp out with us. And on the show next time, enjoy yourself. Love.
Give thanks.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
When the farm over, what is your mindset? How do you now have fun? The farming over.
That with me now, my farming never over.
Like when you beard and ready for go home.
Oh,
When you beard off, like your beard and relax, what is it?
my mindset.
Mm-hmm.
I feel I go on a plan for what me I go do. Cause it's all about farming, you know. It's all about studying what you're doing,
Mm-hmm.
how to do it better,
Yeah.
or much easier,
Mm-hmm.
or how to make some stronger money.
Mm-hmm.
That is the thing, you know. Anytime you see me beard off,
Mm-hmm.
and you see me build up a cliff, and me sit down one place, me a plan.
Yeah.
You draw the plan them.
Mm-hmm.
What me I go do this month or for next month or what me I go do tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like our dry time now.
Mm-hmm.
Only thing me can do is cut yam stick and dig yam hill. Yeah, because you can't plant nothing. You can't plant sweet potato, you can't plant carrot. But we still have to plant. What catch? Cause anything catch, and then the thing sell for money. So the thing set, you know.
So you don't know what will catch, so you just plant everything.
We plant. The way we have to plant. Like string bean, you know, you can't plant string bean. On them land. If the rain no fall, I see them so the dirt look. Anytime the rain start fall, you see dirt have a different look. So if we have water right through, you know, so we would have a better crop.
So if the government did set up a
Better
lot of
farming.
water catchment for now.
Have a better farming. You know, easy money right now we set up.
So if we
Water for sprinkle
Yes,
all
sir,
of
yes,
them
sir.
in farm. No, it don't make sense. You have to just go and
yeah,
do the
I
wait
take
for
a lot of
rainfall.
water.
I say yam. You see now, like you go out there, you get the tractor land.
Yeah.
You know, say yeah, me I go do some big farm. You can spend the money and set up your water thing.
Mm-hmm.
Cause you out on the front and you know, say anytime you're ready for reap, you go look supermarket, wholesale or shipment.
Yeah.
So a big thing you there on, so you can do the water thing. You know, say live cash that, a big thing you have to talk about.
Mm-hmm.
We have easier access to set it up. Like around here, so. If we just go and do what we are doing and depend on rain, you know?
Yeah.
And hope and pray and give thanks to everything. Because just so you set up. 2 months, 3 months dry, 4 months dry summer year. But we survive same way. Yeah, and if somehow we did have good collective people around we, would have more than what we have. Would have been more happier, man, you know? Because sometimes you know have some save in mind, but sometimes when you meet some woman, you have to save your money.
Mm-hmm.
Because even when you give them a save, you don't know. Good woman. But you see some of them, the more you give them, the more them go spend it off.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you go look more, and next week you come again, you gonna spend it off again. Sit down and look. Some not save nothing, man. Some love a woman we willing to save.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, what you save tomorrow help you tomorrow. What you save today help you tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
So, you go and work with mommy there. Because she don't have no responsibility. but ourselves. So we can save something, you know?
Yeah.
Mm. And she not that much like some woman. You know, sir? That woman just satisfied with everything. Because they know what they want.
Mm-hmm.
And they know what they might go for.
Okay.
So, yeah, we know people, you know? How to deal with people. Because people in the world is every different type of people. So you have some banana soft and some tough. Some big and some small.
Yeah.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
And you have to deal with all of them. So as some people stay, so people heart stay. Yeah. See me here you have it. Grudgeful, some of them grudgeful heart, some of them good heart. That's how it go. Sometimes you reap some tomato and a whole. Pretty outside, you know, red and pretty, and when you cut it, you know, no good no inside, you know.
Mm-hmm.
No good no inside. Well, so some people are stay. But we don't penny them people there, we just move along and leave them people there, you know. Mm-hmm. Hope we get some rain, you know.
Tonight.
I love it, you know. It would be lovely.
Oh, if you didn't get rain yesterday. It would have been nice for yesterday, right?
It would be so lovely. It seems like anytime the cashew tree start here again, it don't go stop. But 3 years it not beer now, you know.
3 years it doesn't bear?
Yeah, about that. This year I go make about 4 years it not beer.
Who cut the X them in it?
Aye,
What's the X them for?
beer inside.
Beer and sign.
Mm.
3 years say it don't beer?
Yeah.
Did you groom it any?
Grew me from a small one.
From a small, meaning that did you? We might have to chop off some of the top
Take
limb.
out the bud them out of the top.
Yeah, you might have to chop off the top limb them, you know.
If it grow get big. So it'll get big and then it start beer.
Okay.
Cause after me plant it, it start beer 3 year. 3 year after me plant it, it start beer. This one and the next one.
Mm-hmm.
And it beer 2 year behind one another.
Something changed in your life.
2 times a year.
Something changed in your life, Patrick.
Believe me.
You have to deal with your life, you know.
2 times a year.
Something happening to you.
It blossom every other year and it not put on back none. This one is a yellow banana.
Mm-hmm.
And the next one
Mm-hmm.
is a green banana.
Mm-hmm.
The next one is a super cashew.
Mm-hmm.
That feed banana twice bigger than this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Super cashew the next one. So catch 2 different cashew.
Wow.
2 different cashew tree now.
Wow.
Yeah. 2 different cashew. Cause this one ripe yellow and the next one ripe
Oh, kind of.
green.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind
Let
of.
me see it. It's kind of reddish.
The banana long so.
Mm-hmm.
And this one banana with a long so.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So that me I tell you 2 different cashew. Yeah, what will it more around so when I start there?
You plant all these trees here?
Yeah, Jamaica good life. The only tree me no plant are the pear tree them. All the big pear tree them.
You plant all these soursop trees?
All the soursop tree. Every single one. All the cashew tree.
You plant mango trees too?
Yeah. Mango tree over the garden where
The tangerine, the sweet tangerine tree too?
Tangerine tree and me plant it up there. All of them are soursop. So I think it. Yeah, man. You think you soon start beer again, still.
The cashew tree, right?
I get big. I get big, I get big. That's alright. Yeah.
So it gets quiet around here.
You know what me I gotta do?
What I gotta do?
I gotta get some fall shit.
Mm-hmm.
You remember the fall shit? You chew around the root.
Yeah.
You remember say it make them beer. It make the fruit tree them start beer quick. See and fall shit. Yes.
It's because here's why. You
Yes.
wanna know why?
Yes.
Let me tell you why. Fall shit is important to trees.
Yes.
You know, say a tree bear fruit not for man, you know, but for everyone.
Everyone.
You know what the man them come do? Take all the fruits and go sell it to our market.
Mm-hmm.
The fall used to be around the tree and make a sound.
Mm-hmm.
And every other animals used to be around the tree. Don't you know the tree gets lonely?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So now the tree lonely now. You see, whenever a farm has animals, the trees are happier. People never tell us that. You see, if you get some goat, the tree happier.
Yeah, the tree happier.
So
Guys
the
have company.
tree not on a balance. Patrick is here in the farm. Remember when the pigs were here? You know what I say?
Yeah.
Them give off a certain smell. The tree like the smell, the aroma. The tree like the sound of the pig. Them like the sound of the birds. How do you think tree perform?
Like that, yeah. And then like we hear when we talk.
But then, what happened in your past life? The people around the tree.
People around the tree.
Right? So if your life is reflective, well, Patrick, no. Patrick have a look at dog, good. Patrick might have to go get some goat on here, so, you know?
Mm-hmm.
People don't go to that extent to understand that trees
Or
are...
a donkey
the-
or, you know, or a cow.
The tree, you know, the tree, that's why when the donkey come now, the trees are a family, you know. Look on them. And them know everything in your life when you come down to the farm, you're hot. Him not feel good today. And if the farmer not feel good, don't plant nothing. Guy now come.
That is true.
And sometimes in the life you plant. I say, what go on? Well, my life is in disarray. Everything my mother planted now come.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Sheep and Auntie Marlene. Them plant susumba foreign. You go Brooklyn, go to find susumba. When you see the video for Auntie Marlene, all the people them love her.
Yeah.
And when you go, you want to talk about Patrick Farm? Go back off your backyard. Auntie Marlene have a backyard about a square in Brooklyn. You want to talk about Patrick Farm? Patrick Farm don't have nothing over Fame Farm.
Yeah.
It is not the size,
Yeah.
it is the content.
Yeah, the content, yeah.
Then when you see the herb them in Marvin Farm,
Yeah.
then you see him with a little corn, you know.
Yeah.
Real corn, you know.
Yeah.
Potato, you see them a farm at Brooklyn, them a make
Every little thing.
you just the whole of the family see so. When you go in Auntie Farm, man,
But guess what now? Them have water to get every day, you know.
yes.
So it never feared. It never feared that matter about the
You know,
water.
it's a mindset, you know, because I'm tell you something. You see, collectively as men, when we used to govern ourselves, so you have slavery now, have government, you have all that. But before that, we used to have little communities.
Yeah.
We never care about no one central government. Remember when there was no one government, because how you go, you maroon, you run round,
Mm-hmm.
or you gonna know what the other town they really are do. Everybody now run every day and send message.
Have their little community.
So we used to have our own community.
But it do their own
Good.
little thing.
So now, if let's say forget this, you see that little hill over there, so this community would have get together. This is how other people of other shade color do this thing and make this thing work for them. You know what them figure out? What people in the cold figured out was that if we stick together, we will be warm. Africans cannot stick together because we're open arm people.
Yeah.
We don't hug every day because we're hot.
Yeah.
If we, you see, so that's how it works out. If this community had the sense and pride that, you know what, we're not a water problem now. Because every hill is a reservoir.
Every hill, yeah.
So if every hill is a reservoir, what do we have to do to make this reservoir work? Well, it could just be layers of zinc.
Just layers of zinc.
So when the layers of zinc connect together, the community said, we will have a rushed supply of water then. So then we're going to take all these reservoirs, put them together, and pump them on a big reservoir.
Yeah.
So we're going to start off with, and they bring the different communities together, forget the government, and says, we're going to start off in investing in a monthly fund to buy zinc because we want water to be at his farm. And everybody are pulled together and are thrown together. So now zinc and water everywhere.
Yeah.
So if let's say that hill, Patrick, if me had $1 million, and me can go at the highest place in this country, Jamaica, and make one of the biggest water catchment dam throughout Jamaica. These big dams, you know?
Yeah.
These big circular things on the mountaintop.
Yeah.
We catch a lot of rainwater, and it you know me, it cover a lot of ground. Or we collect the rainwater from the people locally, push it up to the dam, send it to other parishes, and so we can do farming. So you're telling me that every house stop in Jamaica collecting water, every single rainfall, you are telling me that we can't figure out how to collect that water? There should be no fill tank in Jamaica, right?
No fill tank.
So you're asking me God never provide enough water for we, or we not use our mind?
We not storing enough water for ourselves for that. God provide enough water for we.
So then how much time did you gamble in your life and lose money?
Sure.
And if you were a wise man, you don't know, so you know, maybe better go catch up buy zinc.
Buy some zinc and some junk.
Once you invest in zinc, even if you just buy a block on a wall, zinc is another investment in a farm. Perfect example. Many of these farms in Jamaica, you'll never go see zinc integrated with the farm. Them stupid. Them use the land for farming, but them not lose it for collect water.
No section. I just one
so there comes the dependency on God. Okay. So you know what the white man say? Alright, God not gonna come every time with rain. Me have to go make rain. So the white man make rain for a theme farm, make sure him have the technology, and run every other farm away and wait for the rain. Then food can be seasonal no more. The white man was take this food production to a science and say, you know what? Me better master this damn thing, cause when rain don't fall, me goes cook. But you say, we have a dependency culture so much on God that we don't know when the time come where we have to play with own little God.
Well, see there, we make my little catchment. We have 2 jump.
Yeah.
This year, because of something program, we try to plan something every month. Every month. Yeah, no matter what.
You plan something every month?
Every month, I try to plan something.
So this is what differentiates you from other farmers?
Yeah, so you think set up as my living go. Because yeah, you know, I depend on my farm for my living, so no matter how little. If I make a little change, I buy some seed and I buy back some fertilizer. Yeah, that's so me think that. And I go to call on one around 2 months to work one day work, you see? So me think set man. So we are going. But anytime you see the rain start fall, so my money start grow. But anytime the rain stop fall and the time dry, my money dry up.
So when the rain stop fall,
give me that lighter there. Give me that lighter because that's my lighter. I have none.
This one. You know, sir?
Yeah. Going on, man.
You know, I like this. It's night now. I like this spot for interview. Hopefully, because.
So when I come in a while ago, I think about this little spot. Need to make a nice bench. I know this nice spot.
Yes. Bamboo benches, benches. Yeah. And but here's what. You set up this tree as the pole for the hammock. Then you stretch over here now to your bench thing. So you have hammock bench.
Well, you're not going to block this in.
Oh yeah, probably not here.
Yeah, I go back
But you know
over
what's
that
gonna
side.
happen with this setup here? I think I'm gonna have a lot. I'm gonna do a lot of shows here with you because this is why. This is such a cool tent.
Yeah, I want to clean up our next piece here, so you know.